Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the issue of shares. Today I will inform you how to adjust the other than cash considerations for the issue of shares and the examples related to the other than cash concept. First is try to understand the concept of the issue of shares for the considerations of other than cash. Till today you discuss the all the matter related to the cash means the money subscribed from the public. But now the company is issuing the shares without getting money. It means the company is purchasing something from any person. In place of giving the money, company is issuing the shares. Company is not getting any money, company is not paying any money for purchasing of any asset. So here the when the company enters into the one arrangement with the vendors, with the suppliers, means the purchasing of any assets, and without paying any money the company is issuing the shares called as issue of shares for the other than cash. So no cash is received for the issue of shares, no cash is paid for the purchasing of asset. So the issue of shares for other than cash considerations again having the same method like cash basis method, like at par, at premium and issued at discount. But in the shares we don't have the discount concept, but in the debenture it is existing, the nature is. So to find out the number of shares issued to the vendor, how to calculate the amount consideration, first you have to see the amount payable to the vendors and divided by the issued price at par, at premium or at discount, then the number of shares will be derived. Now I'm taking the one example here. Example means other than cash. One example is there and the all the three situations are here. Suppose the Rahul Limited company purchased from the Honda Limited with the 5,40,000 and the payment has been given with the shares issued, but the value of shares is 100 each. So the number of shares to be issued shall be worked out. Case number 1 at par, case number 2 is at discount, and the case number 3 is at premium. In shares, discount practices is not required, but it is also the applications is going to the debenture in the same manners. Security is going to change only. So when issued at par, it means value of share is 100 and issued at 100. Then how will you calculate the number of share issued? This is the working is here, amount payables divided by the issue price. Amount payable to the vendor is 5,40,000 and the payable amount is at par 100. So the number of shares given to the vendor 5,400. Now in the case number 2 is at discount. So the discount is the 5,40,000 divided by discount after discounting the value 100 face value minus 10, then divided by 90, it means the 6,000 shares are given. But the next is the when the shares issued at premium means the 20% of the face value is rupees 20, that means 100 plus 20, the value is 120. So 5,40,000 has been divided by 120, so the number of shares are 4,500. Now I am moving to the next numerical solutions. The first entry is the one time you have to pass the building accounts debits to Honda Limited. This is in the books of Rahul Limited, but Rahul Limited is purchasing. So this is in the books of Rahul Limited. Journal entry in the books of Rahul Limited. So the purchase account, building account debit to the Honda Limited. This is the one common entry which is referring the purchase on credit. But now the case number 1, out of the 3, generally the one case remains with your question. So you have to pass the 2 entries against this. The first entry is common in the all the cases. The second is in all 3 cases you may see Honda Limited is 5,40,000. We don't have to change the figures of the vendor. So the vendor account debit with the 540. Again in the case number B is the 540. Again in the case number of 3, 540. We are not changing the value of the vendor. So now the case number 1 is issued at par. So you have calculated how many number shares given? 54. The value is given. So again I am referring to the Honda Limited to the share capital, because you are issuing the shares, so you have to write down the shares capital. If debentures are there, then to debentures account is there, not the capital, only the debenture account is there. It means the name of security will be listed here. So यहाँ, so the 54 is here. So you may see here 5400 Honda Limited is not going to be changed. In front of the share capital 100 value is there. So the 100 multiplied by 54, the answer is 5,40,000. It means you have to derive the number of shares multiplied by the face value 100. The answers will come in front of share capital. In the case numbers 2, Honda Limited again is the 5,40,000. Share capitals are not going to be changed, like with the value is 100. 100 is, and number of shares are 6,000. You have derived 5,40,000 divided by the 90. So 6,000 multiplied by 100 face value, then 6 lakh is there. We are not going to change the face value of share capital. And the discount value is 10. So you have to write down 10 multiplied by the number of shares 6,000. So how to pass the entries? Honda Limited 5,40,000. Discount is to be listed because the loss is there, and to share capital. Share capital in front of, you have to write down 100, discount in front of 100, discount in front of 10, and then multiply by the number of shares issued 6,000. Or if it is debentures, then the debentures is to be multiplied. But when the shares are issued at premium, Honda Limited value is same, share capital's value is 100, security premium value is 20% of the 100 means 20. You have to write down here 100 and 20. Multiply by the number of shares derived by you by dividing the amount payable 5,40,000 divided by the 120. Then answer is 4,500. So figure is to be multiplied by the 5,400. Then the answer will definitely will come to you. So you have to see how to calculate the figures and multiply by the discount value with the discount value, and the share capital with the face value, and premium with the premium value. So this is the case related. In the any case, the face value of the share capital will not be changed. Honda Limited value will not be changed. So in the difference, if is there, may be called discount or premium. Thank you.